Absolutely. I'm always here. Okay, can we start over? Sorry. I'm always here. I'm here to start. I'm here Monday, Thursday.
She's on the camera. Put her on the mic. She has something to say. Reasons why you shouldn't go on Podcast Hungry. Number one. That was so well timed.
Are you recording this though? Because I think we need to fix that.
That was funny. Number one. Oh. Sorry, stretching.
Wants to be included.
I know. It's like, girl, I'm not talking to you today. I'm talking to them. Be quiet. Stop talking.
I feel like I was intensely looking at the lens when I was like...
It is a funny setup where it's like, wow, I see you. Yeah, totally.
Also, we're all gonna die.
Onward and upward.